And good evening, everyone. I'm SWKSS Chief Damon Claud, and this is a weather update for today, Wednesday, September the 11th, 2024. Remembering 9/11 today, 23 years ago today, the attacks of 9/11 on our country, and we have taken the time out today to remember that. Hopefully, you have as well. Uh, we will leave you this afternoon with SWKSS Remembers video that we put together. We did release that on YouTube and on our Facebook page at 8:46 a.m. this morning. The time that the first plane hit its first tower in New York that morning. So today, I know it's Wednesday. We normally do our midweek weather update today, but we're focusing on tracking Francine. Hurricane Francine just made landfall this afternoon. It is a Category 2 hurricane with sustained winds of 100 miles an hour down in Louisiana. So be in prayer for those folks down there as they deal with a Category 2 hurricane just making landfall down there this afternoon. Jumping into her update, because she's going to be moving north into our area. Take a look at local weather observations here in Cadiz. It was 85 degrees, dew point 59.5. Wind was east southeast at 3 miles an hour. Humidity 41.6%. And of course, 0.0 inches of rainfall since 12 a.m. because we haven't had it in a couple of weeks. But things are about to change with that, with Francine coming into the region. Other temperatures around the region: Murray at 87, Benton 88, Paducah at 90, Princeton 87, Clarksville, Tennessee at 90 degrees, and Dover, Tennessee at 90 degrees. Jumping straight into tracking the tropics, where you have a lot going on. That hurricane Francine just making landfall down in Louisiana. Winds sustained at 100 miles an hour as a Category 2 hurricane. Now going to be pushing to the north into our region here shortly. Later tomorrow evening through the weekend, we'll be dealing with the remnants of Francine in the region. I do want to jump back to that real quick. Severe weather. I know we talked about that yesterday. Severe weather looks like it's going to stay well to our south as far as any tornado activity. We're going to keep a close watch on things, see how things play out with Francine. But it does look like, as of right now, the good thing is that the tornado activity will stay well to the south of the SWKSS region. Weather Prediction Center, this is for heavy rainfall or excessive rainfall risk. Kind of works like the severe weather risk, but this is not severe weather. This is for excessive rainfall. The Weather Prediction Center issuing a level 2 slight risk for excessive rainfall over a good part of far west Kentucky for your Thursday, day 2, and a level 1 marginal risk outside of that. Going into day 3 for excessive rainfall, level 2 slight risk for a good part of the area, and a level 1 outside of that as well for your day 3 for Friday. Day 4 for Saturday, still dealing with a level 1 for a good part of the region. Excessive rainfall totals across the region from Francine. Expected to be 2 to 3 inches for a good part of the region. Our core area, northern parts of the area, 1.5 to 2 inches. Down in Tennessee could get a little slightly higher than that. But these numbers could tick down. We have a lot of dry air ahead of the system as she pushes to the north. So that will soak up a lot of that rain before it actually hits the ground, before it actually moves into our region. So it'll take a while to kind of moisten things up to where we actually start getting rain, because we're so dry out there. The air is so dry. So rainfall totals could differ, could tick down a little bit. Hopefully we get enough to help with this drought situation and kind of bring us. It's not going to bring us out of the drought for sure, but it will help, hopefully. We're not done with this. We have 2 other systems, as I said yesterday. Those have ticked down to 40% or less right now. They'll tick up, they'll tick down the next couple of days. So we'll keep an eye on that as they push to the general direction of the U.S. mainland. And we have another system, another wave. You see that red circle there, number 7 behind those on their heels. and that is another system that the National Hurricane Center is watching, another tropical wave. They could make for another system behind those. So uh, the tropics are about to heat up, get busy, and we're in prime time of the year for it. So prime season for the tropics to act up. So we'll keep an eye on things and see where that leads us. Take a look at our 5-day weather forecast. Tonight, increasing clouds with a low of 65, east-southeast wind around 6 miles an hour, becoming calm in the evening. On Thursday, a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms, possible after 4 p.m., otherwise cloudy with a high of 80 degrees. East wind around 5 to 15 miles an hour. Gets as high as 26 miles an hour. On Thursday night, a 100% chance of rain or showers and possibly thunderstorms with a low of 61. East wind 13 to 17 miles an hour with gusts as high as 26 miles an hour. On Friday, a 90% chance of showers, thunderstorms with a high of 77. Southeast wind around 11 miles an hour, gets as high as 24 miles an hour. On Friday night, a 80% chance of showers and possibly a thunderstorm after 1 a.m. Then a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after 1 a.m. with a low of 64. Southeast east-southeast wind around 7 miles an hour. On Saturday, a 60% chance of showers before 10 a.m., then a chance of showers and thunderstorms between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m., then showers likely and possibly a thunderstorm after 1 p.m., otherwise mostly cloudy with a high of 75, east-southeast wind around 7 miles an hour. Saturday night, a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms after 1 a.m., then a slight chance of showers, mostly cloudy with a low of 64, east wind around 3 to 5 miles an hour. On Sunday, a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after 1 p.m., otherwise partly sunny with a high of 78, east-southeast wind around 5 to 7 miles an hour. On Sunday night, a chance of showers and thunderstorms before 1 a.m., then a slight chance of showers uh, after that. They mostly cloudy with a low of 63, light east wind. On Monday, a slight chance of showers, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms after 1 p.m., otherwise mostly sunny with a high of 83, east-southeast wind 3 to 6 miles an hour. And on Monday night, a slight chance of showers, possibly thunderstorm, otherwise partly cloudy with a low of 61, light east wind. And that is all we have for your weather update for today. Uh, if we do have any severe weather pop up, or if we do feel like the excessive rainfall amounts could be up, or what they are now, we may do a live stream tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening around the same time frame. If not, we'll see you on Sunday evening for your weekly update. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe and have a great day. We're going to leave you with SWKSS remembers 23 years later, 9/11/2021. This has been a live weather update from SWKSS. Did you like this content? If you have not already, please consider following us on our Facebook page and Instagram, and consider subscribing to our YouTube. And please don't forget to like and share. This helps us continue to grow on social media. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and stay safe.